Assalamu alaikum. I'm Fathiya, supervised by Dr. Maqsood Mahmud. Today we will learn how to create charts in Tableau. Let's move to Microsoft Excel. I will select the folder of Excel. Then, as we say, this is Sheets. I will select Order Sheets. Then I will work in Sheet 1. Here we can choose any charts. I will choose the pie charts. I would like to put measure value as a size and measure names as a colors. As you say the chart is small, I will edit it from here. The enter value. So we can change this. As you say, easy to read. What's mean every color. The names, filter, show filters. I would like to cancel sales and the profit, and that's all. Thank you for your watching.